Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to export your Cash App spending report right from your device. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Now, scroll down until you see Documents and tap on it. Then tap Monthly Statement to view your available statements. Choose the month you want to download. Finally, tap Export CSV to download your transaction history for that month. And that's it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.